Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roos. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher here in Holland, where it's raining right now. I'm sitting out in the rain for you guys, and abroad. And I share videos every Wednesday. If you want to learn more about yoga, body positivity, and adventures, then check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. This week, I want to share with you about my amazing retreat in Portugal. I was in this place in February last year, and it is just stunning. I'm really excited to share this midweek of yoga, meditation, and more with you. We will do yoga at sunrise and sunset, either on the beach or on the cliffs that are there. We'll go for swims in the ocean, but also in the pool. They have a beautiful pool area. Most likely in November, it will be raining a little bit more in Europe, like I'm sitting in right now. So it'll be awesome to feel the warmth and the sunshine of Portugal. We can go for walks on the cliffs that are beautiful. And along the beach. The hotel is right near the beach, so you can either take the path down towards the sea or go on top of the cliffs. They have beautiful food and amazing staff, and all the rooms that we will book have a sea view, or like a cliff view more like, because the sea is hidden behind the cliffs over here. I'm organizing this retreat together with my parents, which is pretty special. It's the same setup as our weekend in Overijssel. I will be teaching all the yoga. It will be a combination of different styles of yoga, whatever fits the need of the group at that time. It can be Drew yoga, flow, more like powerful vinyasa yoga, or even yin and restorative. My dad, Dick, will be teaching meditation workshops every day. And my mom, Yolanda, will teach about finding your creativity and opening yourself to the world and linking that a little bit more to spirituality as well, and mindfulness. I would also love to take you guys on excursions. They have beautiful caves there that you can go into with boats if the weather will permit it. And of course there are also waves there, so I'd love to take you guys surfing if the waves are right and if you're interested. The week is from Sunday evening until Friday afternoon, but we have the option for you to book the weekends extra in the hotel so that you have a little bit of time to also just chill and have a holiday. For about 45 to 50 euros, you'll be able to book extra nights in the hotel, including breakfast and dinner like the other days as well, and you'll be able to extend your stay. This week will be from 10 until 15th of November, and I would love for you to come. At the moment, we still have the summer early bird discount, even though it doesn't feel like summer right now. So the price of the shared rooms is 449 euros, and a private room is 549 euros. Check out my new website where you can buy your tickets. It's yogawithroos.com. or .nl if you prefer Dutch. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Send me a message or a comment below. I'm Yoga with Roos on all social media, and Roos is R-O-O-S, the Dutch spelling. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Thanks guys, bye. I'm singing in the rain.